you're having trouble getting traffic to your website, the best thing you can do to fix that is improving your website's SEO. SEO stands for search engine optimization, and it's how search engines rank website relevance when people perform searches online. With a higher SEO ranking, you're more likely to connect with your target audience when they search for things that can be found on your website. The best way to improve your SEO ranking is to identify what your target audience is searching. For example, type into a search engine a keyword or keywords that you imagine your target audience might type into Google. Then take note of what auto-filled search queries are being suggested. This will give you an indication of the kinds of questions your audience may be searching for. You can then integrate these keywords and the search prompts of your target audience into the text. So this might mean adjusting the wording of headers or bodies of the text so they include these highly searched keywords. You also can edit the alt text on your site to include these keywords. Alt text is the text you add to images to make them more accessible to visitors. Search engines also use alt text to identify the content of website images, so it's a great way to give your site an SEO boost. In some places, your image's file name serves as the alt text if you don't manually add alt text. If you're building your website on Squarespace, some automatic SEO tools we offer are built-in meta tags are automatically added when you add SEO descriptions, and SSL certificates. Make sure SSL is enabled, since sites that aren't SSL secure may be penalized by search engine rankings. Get started today and push your website to the top of your audience's search results.